Hi class, today I'm doing problem 14 on chapter 5. So instructions say, let sine A equals negative 3/5 with 270 degrees less than A less than 360 degrees, and cosine B equals negative 8/17 with 90 degrees less than B less than 180 degrees, and find the following cosine A and B. So with cosine A minus B, we can use the identity for it. Which is cosine A cosine B plus sine A and sine B. So we have sine A and sine B, so let's try to find the rest. So we're going to use Pythagorean theorem identity for sine A to find sine A. So let's find sine A. So let's plug it in. Negative 3/5 squared plus cosine squared A equals 1. Negative 3/5 squared is 9/25. And then from 9/25, we're going to subtract that from both sides. So then it's going to look like this. Cosine squared A equals 1 minus 9/25, which then we get cosine squared A equals 16/25. Then we're going to square root both sides, which cosine A equals 4/5, which it lands in quadrant 4, so it's going to be positive 4/5. So that's our sine A. Let's try to find sine B. So with sine B, we're going to do the same thing. Cosine squared B plus negative 8/17 equals 1. So we're going to do the same thing. Oh, it's squared. So cosine squared B plus 64/289 equals 1. And we're going to subtract from both sides. So it's going to be cosine squared B equals 1 minus 64/289, which then we get cosine squared B equals 225/289. Square root both sides, and you get cosine B equals 15/17. And then with that, we want to plug in into the identity of cosine A/B, or A minus B. So it's going to be 4/5 negative 8/17 plus 3/5 and 15/17. And with that, we get negative 32/85 plus negative 45/85, which then reduces down to negative 77/85 as your final answer. Thank you.